Dent coin holder, if I tell you to dent coin as make you a rich man, as make you a millionaire, then I am 100% sure, my brothers, to I am a completely right. And this is not a motivational video and not a promotion video. Absolutely, I just advise you, my brother. Absolutely, this is financial. This is not a financial video, so try to understand what I talk to. Let's start this brand video without any time waste. Kindly don't skip any second, otherwise you cannot understand to what I talk to and how they will make you millionaire. The main question is that to how can they make you rich man, how can they make you millionaire. Let's get started this brand video. Kindly like this video and subscribe this channel. First of all, my brother, this time you can see the update at last 24-hour chart. As you can see, my friend, this is absolutely going to be very good, but please try to understand what I talk to in this time. All right, be focused. Okay, so this time you can see, my brother, after a short fails, this is short fails, to try to understand, my brother, what I try to. Don't skip, otherwise you never understand, my brother. You can see here this time they take a gain jump. You can see short fails, short jump, short fails, short jumps. Every cryptocurrency is moving like that, but definitely when you starting to make like this type chart, exactly, my friend, you understand. Absolutely, after a fails, you can see they cannot never miss. To they fails. After a fails, they take a jump. Try to understand. After a fails, they take a jump like that. If you can see, my brother. So absolutely, this time you can see they fails down. They fails down. I am also going to show you the last one how a chart. Do they really fails down or not? After, you can see this time they fails down. So absolutely, I know, I'm 100% sure too. After this fails, they take a very huge jump. Yes, very huge jump. They take a very big jump. So if they, I know today will take a very good jump. So absolutely, if I buy this time, absolutely the price is very cheap. So if I buy this time and with the price is going to be very high, then absolutely when I sell it, exactly, my friends, that will give you very good profit. And if they will give you a very good profit, then absolutely they will make you rich man. They will make you millionaire. Try to understand, my brother. They will make you millionaires. So Dent is one of the fastest coin. Try to understand and remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. Dent is one of the fastest coin in the crypto market and very trending, my friend, in the crypto market. So try to understand. So this is very good coin for a short term investor. Not good for a long term investor, but definitely good for a short term investor. So try to understand. Please hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my friend, at the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. So don't worry, hold it and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and absolutely subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.